Now I'll show you how to mount the direct sampler. You start with the handles. They are specific for each side, and this is the orientation. So later you will see how these handles are meant to be used. Then you slide on this. It fits very easily, and you just make sure that this line is basically parallel to this, and then slides on very easily. Snaps into place. Then you take the small Allen wrench and just tighten it finger tight on the short end. There's no need to over tighten. Then you open the tool, loose the guard, open the guard. Then you add this specific disc mount. This tool makes sure that the blade is in the correct position. Then you add the blade, and then you have from the angle grinder, the standard mounting nut and the special wrench. You hold the brake here with your finger, you tighten it. Basically you find the brake position, you tighten it. Then you can close again. The guard, close the door. Then the next part you need are the sampling tubes. They are just these centrifuge tubes that are mounted here. And now the machine is ready to be used. The way you operate is you do these dive cuts. You see how the blade will come out of the tool and it will blow the rock dust into the sampling device. You can work at any angle. You can work basically facing down, sideways, even on top of your head. It will always collect enough material. The key thing to operate this thing, when you cut the stone, make sure that you don't kill the RPM. It needs to spin at high speed. If you force it too hard into the material, then it will slow down and you will not collect powder and you overload the machine. So let the machine do the work. Let it spin and just do these dive cuts. Some people like slotting. I prefer to make a series of dive cuts. And then when you're finished, you just dismount the tube and you have your powder.